Hi
Meron na bang
po.
reaction si Presiding Officer Chis Escudero doon sa lumabas na report na sinisimulan na daw ligawan ni Senator Chis Escudero, Senator Jinggoy, magkapatid na Villar, Senator Loren Legarda to convict VP Sara?
That is totally untrue po, no? I asked the presiding officer, natawa lang siya. Sabi niya, talaga lang, tinatanong mo pa yan sa akin. So that
Mm.
is completely untrue po na wala pong ganong mga moves on his part.
Mm.
He is busy and his time is taken up by reading and studying the case, both the witness testimony, the number of documents, at saka yung mga resolutions na kailangan niyang ilabas. In a way po nga, parang marami siyang kailangan pang ilabas na resolution dahil sa mga na-cancel na trial dates. So mas busy po siya gawin yon kesa po mamulitika regarding that. At saka matagal-tagal pa po, sinasabi po natin, no, if you consider the yung ano na yun, no, kung totoo, the practicality of it, it's too early for you to actually do that. Dahil sabi ko nga, 31 days pa to, itong Article 1. Susunod dito, meron pa tayong Article 3, tas meron pang Article 2. So, that will entail mga 90 more days, sorry, not 90, mga 50 more days, no? Tapos magpapresenta pa yung defense bago sila magbotohan. So it's still too early, and at the same time, yung case of the prosecution, kalahati pa lang rin sila dito sa article na to, no? Sa Article 1. So medyo preposterous yung ganong insinuation by parties.
So, anong tingin doon ni Senator Chis Escudero? May plano na i-discredit? Ano yung nakikita niya na intention ng ganong balita? I-discredit yung maganda niyang paghawak sa impeachment trial?
Actually, he didn't describe anything to me kung anong tingin niya doon. Parang, nung tinanong ko lang siya, parang ang ano niya lang, bakit mo pa ako tinatanong? Parang alam mo naman na wala namang ganyan. Alam mo naman na hindi totoo yan. So yun lang, parang so preposterous for me to even raise it up to him. So I think ganun din yung iniisip niya na parang it's so preposterous na may ganung issue na logically, practically, hindi siya feasible for the meantime or hindi gagawin ng isang matinong politician to do it this early on.
Pero pwede yung gawin kapag patapos na, sir, o hindi rin, o improper.
Hindi rin. I don't think hindi ganoon si Senator Escudero eh. Parang as you know, no, kahit na before, laging ini-issue sa kanya yan yung regarding the Senate presidency, ganyan din yung pinalabas na issue. So lumang tugtugin na po yan eh, if you consider it. And any person pwedeng anuman, basta i-allege mo lang parang yan na yan. At yung person na sinasabihan ng ganon, siya ngayon yung nabibigyan ng burden of proof na patunayan yung kanyang innocence on the matter, even wala namang ebidensya, no? At wala siyang kailangan gawin. However, in a court of law, which is logical, ito po dapat sinusunod natin, no, sa ating mga araw-araw na paniniwala sa mga lumalabas po na news. Kung sino po nag-allege, siya ang kailangan magpatunay, at yung kailangan mag-defend sa sarili niya, yung accused o yung respondent, walang kailangan gawin. Kung hindi ma-prove yung allegation, he or she can sit pretty there without doing anything because of the presumption of innocence. So lagi po natin kailangan isipin yun na dapat ganun yung mas logical na pag-iisip kesa yung sa kabila na maniniwala kagad tayo sa allegations.
Ang problema, parang dating, sir, blind item, walang source.
Yes, tama ka po dyan. No? Mahilig po tayo sa ganun eh. Kaya yung mga ganyan, binabrush aside na lang po ng mga senators natin kasi alam naman nila kung ano yung totoo.
Last na lang on my part. So on Monday, sir, kung meron ng impeachment trial, ilalabas na ni Presiding Officer Escudero yung pong ruling at warning sa both parties kaugnay ng kanilang mga naging public statement at saka pinopost sa social media.
Tama po kayo, Ma'am Selly, pero bago po niya basahin at ilabas po yung ruling na yon, kailangan niya po munang marinig si Attorney Amado Ligutan. Bibigyan po ng oras si Attorney Ligutan to respond to the manifestation and accusation of the lead counsel, Attorney Sison. At pagkatapos po nun, baka kung may kailangan ibahin sa ruling niya, base dun sa sinabi ni Attorney Ligutan, baka magkaroon ng konting break para maiba lang po yung draft niya, at kung wala naman po yung ine-expect ni presiding officer na sasabihin ni Attorney Ligutan ay yun din yung naisip niya na sasabihin ni Attorney Ligutan, yung ruling niya babasahin niya na po kagad without any more taking a short break.
Okay, thank you, attorney. Salamat po.
Thank you po, Ma'am Selly.
Attorney, papasok po si Ate Nims. Andyan na po ikaw.
Present. Hi, Attorney.
Hi.
Good morning. Opo, Attorney, tungkol dun sa bank and other financial documents that were submitted by the banks, AMLAC and BIR, kailan po yun ipapa-access sa lawyers ng prosecution and
Opo,
defense?
meron na pong si Attorney Bantug, no, yung ating clerk of court, tsaka si presiding officer, they have already almost completed the inventory at saka po yung pag-examine ng mga, lalo pa yung mga for in-camera examination ni presiding officer, yung mga anti-money laundering council reports po. At magre-release po either in the next week po or the week after that ng ruling po regarding that, para po mabigyan na po ng access yung parties kung nakapasa na po doon sa in-camera inspection na yun.
Okay. Yung pong BIR and bank documents ay, tama ba, certainly, mapapabigyan ng copy or ipapa-access yun sa both panels. Pero yung sa AMLAC ay depende pa.
Yes po, opo. Depende po dun sa last na ruling, yung ruling dun sa in-camera, kasi kailangan suriin po ni presiding officer isa-isa yung mga reports na yon. Tapos tinanong niya na rin yung representative ng Anti-Money Laundering Council if there are mga madi-disclose ba yung procedure, yung process, kung paano nila nakuha yung mga information na yon, how they were able to investigate these matters. At kung wala naman pong madi-disclose doon sa papel na report po na yon, ipapayagan na po yung both parties to access it. Yun lang po naman yung concern ng presiding officer, kaya siya nag-in camera para po hindi makakuha ng ideya yung mga ibang tao na may mga ginagawang masama, kung paano ginagawa ng Anti-Money Laundering Council yung pag-iimbestiga sa ating mga bank records para malaman nila kung ano dun yung sakop ng laundering.
Okay. And then, dun po sa access naman, tama ba, hindi naman siya rush kasi dulo pa siya, fourth pa siya na
You're correct.
itatahan.
You're for Article 2 po. So, katulad nung timeline natin kanina, it will be at the end of the trial po. So, if we consider it, baka yung Article 2 na yon mag-umpisa na po ng Nobyembre o Desyembre. No?
Please save me. Please save me. Thank you. You started with nothing but a broken pod. Now, grow fast or die slow metal. Tech.
Yun lang po sa end ko, attorney. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Nympha.
Attorney, si Dexter po. Dex, andyan ka?
Good morning.
Good morning, Dex. Sorry, hindi kita nasagot kahapon.
Oo nga. Oo. Attorney, balikan ko lang yung issue doon sa mga statement ng prosecution. Paano tinitake ng isang korte, isang impeachment court ito, na yung mga counsel ay tila pinagsasabihan or pinupuna ang naging galaw o anumang ginawa ng mga senator judge sa isang trial?
Dexter, unang-una, hindi ko alam ano yung pinapatunguhan mong statement kasi maraming statements sila, no? Araw-araw yata nagpe-press briefing
Kaugnay
sila,
po
no?
ito,
So hindi ko alam yung specific na statement na yun, no?
kaugnay ito doon sa pagpuna nila na dapat daw ang isang senator judge dahil nasa konstitusyon, kailangan dumalo personally dun sa trial at hindi yung nagmo-monitor lang dun sa isang sulok outside the courtroom. Dahil kailangan nilang makita kung paano daw sumagot ang isang testigo, makikita nila
Almighty
yung
Father,
kanyang mga facial
as we
expressions
enter
at
the
hindi yung
7th week
nandun
of the
lang na
impeachment
nakamonitor
trial,
online.
guide
Paano
everyone
po
here,
ito tinitake
the
ng
senator,
impeachment
judges,
court? Yung mga
the
ganitong
presiding officer, the prosecution
pahayag
and
ng
defense counsels,
counsel
the
outside
witnesses,
the
and the Filipino
court mismo.
people, so that we
Of
remember
course, yung
why we
impeachment
are
court will
conducting
consider
these
that matter,
proceedings.
no?
Help
Dahil
us to
may
make the
nagmo-monitor
most of
naman
the
ang
time
ating
and
branch
resources
clerk
of our
court,
people
saka yung mga
by
staff
making
ko,
the
minomonitor
impeachment
naman yung
trial
mga pahayag
an
na yan.
instrument that would
At
restore the
I'm sure
people's trust
kasama yan sa
in the
mga
public officials.
papaalalahanan
Finally,
na
send
dun
our
sa
most Holy
ruling
Spirit
ni
upon us so that we
presiding
are
officer, yung
rendered a
proper
just
decorum ng
judgment
bawat
over this case.
litigant, pati po
May
ng
we embody
counsels,
what Jesus said,
when
that
it comes to
for the measure
dealing with the
we
court.
use, it
Kasi
will be measured
alam
to
naman
you.
po ng lahat ng
Lord,
abogado
let our words and
at
actions here
na
reflect
yung
the
meron
public
kaming
servants
tinatawag na
that
Code
we
of
should
Professional
be. All
Responsibility
these
and
we pray
Accountability
in your
at
mighty name.
na
Amen.
dapat hindi kami nagsasabi ng anything that will degrade
Roll call of
the
members.
credibility
The
and the
Honorable Senator
integrity
Judge
of the
Aquino.
court because
Senator Judge
our
Cayetano
overall
Alan.
duty
Senator
is
Judge
for
Cayetano Pia.
justice
Senator
to be
Judge De La
done
Rosa.
and
Senator
for
Judge
us
Ejercito.
to strengthen
Judge
the
Estrada.
workings of the
Senator
court
Judge
so
Go.
that the people,
Senator Judge
kasi
Ontiveros.
officers of the court
Senator
kami,
Judge
so that the
Lacson.
people will have
Senator
faith
Judge
in the
Lapid.
justice system,
Senator Judge
which is
Legarda.
kasama dito yung
Senator Judge
impeachment court.
Marcoleta.
So
Senator
any
Judge
matter
Marcos.
na
Senator Judge
nakakasira,
Padilla.
any
Senator Judge Pangilinan.
public
Senator
speech
Judge Soto
nakakasira
III.
doon
Senator
sa
Judge Tulfo Erwin.
sa
Senator
notion
Judge
na
Tulfo
yon
Rafi.
na fair,
Senator Judge Villanueva.
na ginagawa
Senator
ng
Judge
korte
Villar
yung kanyang
Camil.
gawain,
Senator Judge Villar Mar.
ito ay
Senator Judge
credible
Zubiri.
at
The presiding officer, Senator
integrity.
Judge Escudero.
Ito po
Senate
ay
President, Senator Judge
nakikita sa
Gatchalian.
paglabag na,
30 senator judges present and chair declares the presence
doon
of
sa
quorum.
aming Code of Professional
In
Responsibility
accordance
and
with the rules of
Accountability.
procedure on
So,
impeachment trials,
it
the
will be
chair now
considered by the
recognizes the
impeachment
duly
court
elected
and the presiding
to
officer
preside
in
over
his
the
ruling, I'm
proceedings
sure.
of the impeachment.
And at the same time po, no, kailangan
Mr.
din
Senate
pong,
President.
lahat
If
tayo
there are no
maging
objections,
maingat sa
we shall
sinasabi
dispense
po
with the
natin.
reading of the August
Kasi po
12,
yung alam naman
2026
natin yung
Journal of
ating
the
mga
Senate
House
sitting as an
Prosecutor
impeachment
panel,
court
sila rin po ay
and
part
shall
of the
consider the
legislative.
same as
At
approved.
kung siguro maaalala nila, ginagawa rin
The
naman po
clerk of
nila
court
yan
is
sa Kongreso
directed to
na
kindly call the case
after
before the
nila
impeachment court.
Case number
magpa-enter ng attendance doon sa plenary,
2026
ay
in the
lalabas
matter
naman
of
po sila.
impeachment
Meron
trial
din
of
po
Vice
silang
President
Congressman's
Sara
Lounge
Zimmerman
doon.
Duterte.
At
Appearances
doon
of the
sila
parties.
makikipabalik-taktakan sa
appearance for
kanilang
the
mga kasamahang
prosecution,
congressman
Your Honor.
at
We are
magsasnack din po at kakain
Thank you,
din
Honorable
po.
Chua.
So ganun
Same
din po
appearance
ang
for the
Senado
respondent accused, Your
dahil
Honors.
nga
Good
po doon
morning.
sa sinabi kong rule
Thank you, Attorney
on
Coa.
Redix at saka Heinz President na pinapayagan po yung continuing
Call your
quorum.
witness,
Basta
Honorable
po
Chua.
yung ating
Your Honor,
mga
before we call our next
legislative
witness, Your
persons
Honor,
ay nasa vicinity
may we
ng
respectfully
Kongreso o
ask
ng
the
Senado
Honorable Court
within the
to
power of
recognize
either the Speaker
Attorney
or the
Ligutan,
Senate
counsel
President
for the
or the presiding
prosecution,
officer to be
because
called
we understand
anytime
that his name
there
was
needs to be
alluded to by the
persons
defense
in the plenary
in the
or in the
last
session.
hearing, Your
Attorney,
Honor.
kung sa
May
mga
he be
regular
given
na
the
korte,
opportunity to
ang
make a brief manifestation for
paghahayag
comment,
ng
Your Honor.
anumang
At the proper
statement
time we
against sa
will,
isang judge ay
Honorable Chua, Attorney
makukonsider
Ligutan,
na
at the proper
grave.
time we will. The chair does not
Paano po
intend
ito para sa
to rule
impeachment
yet on that matter
Lalo't ginawa yung
this
statement
time.
outside the court.
But before the chair does so, Attorney
Dexter,
Ligutan will
kung mababasa
be heard. Yes,
ninyo,
sir.
no, meron
In that
tayong
case, Your Honor, may we
ABS-CBN versus
request the
Ampatuan, meron tayong
Public
in regard
Prosecutor, Congressman Lord
Chief
Suwan,
Justice
be recognized
Sereno,
by the
may
Chair
mga
for the
statement
presentation
din siya
of our next
doon.
witness.
The Honorable Suwan is
tayong mga
recognized.
kaso na ng galing sa
Your
Korte
Honors, on the part
Suprema
of,
na
Your
ginagabayan
Honors, may I be recognized?
Yes,
lahat ng
Attorney
korte
Po.
On the
on
part
how
of
to
the
deal with
defense, Your Honors, may we
criticisms
also
outside of
request
the court.
that Attorney
And
Lyndon Bacuel
medyo
be
stricto po
recognized.
yun, no? And
for this,
Attorney
kung
Lyndon,
makikita po natin
you are
ang ating
recognized,
presiding
sir.
officer
Thank you,
So
Your
far
Honor.
as this
impeachment court
witness
itself,
is concerned.
kung magre-resolve yan, lagi po
Good morning,
nakabase
Your
lamang
Honor.
po yan either sa mga batas na naipasa ng Kongreso o kaya naman po sa mga batas na nakapaloob po sa jurisprudence o yung mga kaso na
Kindly place
diniskusyonan
the
ng
witness
Korte
under oath,
Suprema. So
Attorney Baldon.
makakaasa po
Please raise
kayo
your
na
right hand, ma'am.
galing lang doon ang mga resolution
You,
ng ating presiding officer.
Gina F. Acosta,
ganun, kung paano
swear
po tinatrato
that the evidence you
ng
shall
Korte
give in the
Suprema
case
yung
now
ganung mga
pending
kritisismo
between the Philippines and Vice
sa
President
kanyang
Cyrus Dirman
sarili sa
Duterte
Korte,
shall be the truth,
ganun
the
din
whole
po
truth, and nothing but the
ang
truth. So help
susundan
me God.
ng ating impeachment court.